Fashion today is not just about following trends, it's about feeling confident in what you wear. Welcome to Elora Studio, a brand built on the idea of effortless style and everyday elegance. In today's fast-paced world, fashion has become more than just appearance. It reflects personality, lifestyle, and comfort. However, many fashion brands focus either on trendy designs or on comfort. For most of us, especially young women, we want both. We want outfits that look stylish, feel comfortable, and fit seamlessly into our daily lives without requiring too much effort. This is where Elora Studio stands out. Elora Studio is designed to bring together simplicity, elegance, and comfort in one place. Our brand focuses on minimal designs that are easy to wear, easy to style, and suitable for everyday use. We believe that fashion should feel natural, not forced or complicated. At Elora Studio, every piece is thoughtfully designed to balance aesthetics and comfort. Our collections include a range of everyday essentials such as relaxed fit jeans, soft breathable tops, coordinated sets, and simple flowy dresses. Each outfit is created to provide both style and ease, making it perfect for college, casual outings, or even relaxed work environments. We focus on neutral color palettes like beige, white, black, and soft earthy tones. These colors not only look elegant but also make it easier to mix and match outfits effortlessly. Another important aspect of our brand is fabric selection. We prioritize soft, breathable materials that feel comfortable throughout the day, especially in busy and active lifestyles. Elora Studio is mainly created for Gen Z and young millennial women who prefer subtle, clean, and timeless fashion. Unlike fast fashion brands that constantly chase changing trends, we aim to create styles that remain relevant over time. Our goal is to help women feel confident without having to try too hard. Fashion should not feel like pressure, it should feel like ease. With Elora Studio, getting ready becomes simple, quick, and enjoyable. Whether it's a regular day at college, a casual meet-up with friends, or a relaxed outing, our outfits are designed to suit every moment. We believe that true elegance lies in simplicity. Elora Studio is not just a clothing brand, it is a reflection of a lifestyle that values comfort, confidence, and minimalism. Elora Studio, effortless style, everyday elegance. Because looking good should always feel easy. Another important part of Elora Studio is versatility. Each outfit is designed in a way that it can be styled in multiple ways depending on the occasion. A simple top can be paired with jeans for a casual look or styled with trousers for a more polished appearance. This flexibility makes it easier to create different looks without needing too many clothes. We also understand that today's generation values both comfort and confidence equally. That is why our designs are not just about appearance, but also about how they make you feel throughout the day. When you feel comfortable in what you wear, it naturally reflects in your confidence. Elora Studio focuses on creating that balance between style and ease. Our aim is to simplify everyday fashion choices and reduce the stress of deciding what to wear. With thoughtfully designed pieces, getting ready becomes quicker and more enjoyable. In a world where trends keep changing rapidly, we choose to stay consistent with simplicity and elegance. Because true style is not about constantly changing, but about finding what works for you and owning it. Elora Studio encourages you to embrace your personal style in the most effortless way possible.